Another poultry processing project is moving forward. Our customer in Peru is building a complete chicken processing solution with W machinery. This third shipment includes automatic chicken feed processing equipment line, ice making equipment, ice mold, and other poultry slaughter equipment. Together with previous 340 HQ shipments, the complete solution will support 5,000 to 6,000 birds per hour production. From equipment design to manufacturing and delivery, W Machinery supports customers worldwide, helping poultry processors build efficient and reliable production systems. W Machinery, your partner in food processing and slaughter solutions.